A very good morning, children. Last class, we learnt about the life of plants. We learned so many things about plants. And today, we will learn about the life of animals. Yes, chapter 6, Animal Life. So, are you all excited to learn? There are so many different kinds of animals with so many different colors. Yes, some are sweet, some are dangerous, some are beautiful, and some are cute. As you all know, children, and you might have seen in Nandankanan Zoo or in your TV, there are millions and millions types of animals that live in our earth. Some animals, for example, amoeba, and if you remember this term amoeba, yes, we learned in chapter 4 and also in chapter 5 that amoeba are very small, very tiny, single cell microorganism. So that's why they can be seen only under a microscope. They are very small, okay? But in the same time, do you know a blue whale is a very huge and a very largest animal. It is much more huge and much more largest than the size of an elephant. What is it? Blue whale. So there are many animals around us with beautiful and variety of colors. Okay? And they also live in different places. Like some live in forest, some live in rivers, some live in deserts, in ponds, in mountain areas, and also in the snow areas. Okay, so there are different animals which live in the different surroundings. And yes, there are also some animals which we keep at home. Okay, so the surroundings or the environment or the place in which a living organism can live and can survive is called its habitat. Animals have different kinds of features which help them to live, which help them to survive in that particular habitat. Like forest habitat, in which the forest animals can live and survive. Then your aquatic habitat, in which your water animals can live and survive. So many kinds of habitat. So a habitat is a surrounding or an environment in which a living organism can survive and can live. Okay? Now, children, we will learn the first part of this chapter, Animal Life, that is the outer body covering or the outer structure of an animal. And as you know that different types of animals are there, so let's learn the different body coverings of different animals. First of all, children, I will tell you, just look at your body. Don't worry. Come on. I'm not joking with you. Seriously, look at your hands, look at your legs. Your entire body is covered with small hairs. Isn't it? Yes. Mammals, okay, like we human beings, have hair on our entire body that protect us from dust particles, and it also keeps us warm. Okay, it also keeps the other animals like your monkeys, cows, dogs, they also have hairs on their entire body, so it keeps them warm. Animals like polar bears or your black bear, which you have seen here also in Nandankanan also, those bears have hair in their entire body. So they have thick covering of hair because it is in their entire body. It is full of hair, so many hairs in their body. So that's why a very thick covering of hair is in their entire body, which is called fur. You have known this term also, FUR, fur. What is fur? Yes. So many hairs are there in their body. So that is called fur. Okay? Some animals, like you have seen tortoise, then your turtles and snail. Yes, you guessed it right. They have a hard body covering, hard covering, and inside it the soft animal is there. That hard covering is called shell. SHELL, shell. That protect their soft bodies, that protect their soft animal inside from any external, if anyone will hit them, if anyone will go and catch them. So they simply just keep themselves inside, protected inside the shell. Okay? Fishes and reptiles have scales that protect them. You have seen a fish? Yes, you have seen. Those fishes have some entire body is covered with scales. Okay, you eat fish also. You have seen a fishes also. Their entire body is covered with scales. Similarly, reptiles also have scales that protect them. What are reptiles? Reptiles are the animals that have hard scales on their body and that live on land. For example, pangolin. Okay? Pangolin is an animal which have very hard plate-like scales, very hard scales, which is leathery type. Leather is hard. So, leathery type scales in their entire body. Okay? So, that is pangolins. And many animals and many reptiles have hard leathery scales in their body. Next come to your birds. And you know very well, children, birds have what? Birds have feathers in their entire body which keep them warm, and it also helps them to fly with the help of their wings, and the feathers keep them warm. So this is all about the different kinds of body covering of different animals. Next we will learn different animals eat different kinds of food. Yes, like there are some people who eat only veg food items like paneer, mushroom, your chili paneer, then kadhai paneer. Yes, and some eat the non-veg like chicken, chicken do pyaza, chicken malai tikka, chicken tandoori, prawn pakoda, fish curry. Mouth watering, no? Yes, don't worry. In this lockdown, you all are getting very tasty food at your home. So now come back to studies. Okay? Similarly, children, different animals eat different food. Okay? And why they eat different food? Because accordingly, their mouth parts are been designed, are been adapted to the kind of food they eat. First are the animals, like the animals which eat plants. The plant eater animals like goat, horses, cows, they always eat plants. They always eat grass. And what are they called? They are called herbivorous or herbivores animals. You might have learnt in the previous classes. Yes. They have very sharp front teeth that cut the plants, to pluck the plants, to remove the plants, and large flat back teeth to grind the food, to make the food into smaller particles, into smaller substances. Okay, sharp pointed teeth at the front and large flat teeth at the back that grind the food. Okay, sharp teeth to cut the plants. But what about lion, tiger? Do they have same teeth? No. Why? Because they eat the flesh of other animals. They are animal eaters. Yes, what are they? Lion, wolf, tiger, and jackal, frog, snake, etc. Many animals are there which eat the flesh of other animal. So what kind of teeth they have? They have sharp pointed teeth at the front that will tear the animal first, that will tear their food, and very strong teeth at the back that will chew their flesh and the bones of that animal. Understood? They have sharp and pointed teeth at the front and strong teeth at the back to chew the flesh, to cut the flesh into pieces. But the front teeth will tear the animal, okay? So that the animal will die, and after that they will cut into pieces and they will eat their flesh and bones. Similarly, eagles, vultures, and owls. You have seen eagles and vultures? Yes, they have very sharp, strong claws. Okay, they have very sharp, strong claws to catch the small, small animals which are moving on the ground. When they fly in the sky, they look at the ground. They see the small animals are moving. They immediately come to the ground and grab the animal with their claws, and their claws are so sharp that the animal died there only. They don't have to bite it, the animals die from there. Okay, their claws literally just get inside their skin. Okay, what are the small animals like your rats, rabbits? Yes, you might have seen in Discovery also. Yes. And what type of teeth they have? Actually, children, they have beak. Okay, you have seen eagles, vultures, they have beak. And what type of beak they have? Hooked beaks. Okay, sharp hooked beaks that will tear the flesh of the animal. So they have strong, sharp claws to catch the animals and sharp hooked beaks to tear the flesh of the animal. Okay? But there are some animals who do not have teeth. Okay? Don't laugh. But they have another beautiful feature in them. What is that? Yes, they have a sticky tongue. Okay, and what is that? Those are frogs, lizards, and chameleons. Yes, they have long sticky tongue that they use to catch their animal, to catch their prey. What is the prey? Prey means their food, to whom they will eat, to whom they want to catch it and eat. Okay, that is their prey, like insects or flies. Okay, so these are the things which they catch it with the help of their sticky tongue. Their tongue is so sticky that once they take it out, the insect or the fly gets pested to the tongue of the frog or lizard, and they immediately take back their tongue and they start eating and they start swallowing. Okay. Next come your crawling animal. What is that crawling animal? Yes, snakes. Children, snakes have little different feature from other animal. Actually, they have hundreds of backward facing teeth. What is backward facing teeth? The teeth which faces backside. Okay. And how many they have? Hundreds of backward facing teeth which help them to swallow their prey. They also have a detachable jaw that make their mouth open wider. Okay, they open their mouth wide, and because of that detachable jaw, that flexible jaw, and easily swallow their prey which is larger than their mouth. Supposing if I will tell you to eat a burger, okay, without cutting a bite, in one swallow you eat. Can you eat? No, because you can't open your mouth such a widely. Say, but snakes have a detachable jaw that helps them to make their mouth open widely, and they can swallow their prey that is larger than their mouth. You must have seen in Discovery Channel, okay, or in any films, okay. So this is the feature of snakes. Next come to the very interesting feature of those animals that eat both plants and as well as animals. Like first example is, yes, human beings, then bears. Okay, bears also eat both plants and animals. Duck and fowls. Okay, they eat both plants and animals. So that's why these animals are called as omnivores or omnivorous animals. Fowls, human beings, bears, ducks, even if crow also, they eat both plants and animals. Okay, they eat both grains, okay, eat the nuts, and they also eat the worms, small insects. Similarly, we human beings also, we eat both vegetables as well as what? Yes, chicken, mutton, egg, fish, prawn. Yes. So, we are called the omnivorous animals. So, omnivorous have both the features of herbivorous and carnivorous. So, what type of teeth the omnivorous have? Yes, they have both the mixed kind of teeth. What is mixed? They have both the teeth of herbivorous as well as carnivorous. Okay? Mixed kind of teeth. What the omnivorous have. So did you understood, children? Omnivorous are the animals that eat both plants and animals, and they have both the kinds of teeth, the teeth which the herbivorous have and the teeth which the carnivorous also have. So means sharp pointed teeth to cut or to tear the animals or to tear the any plant materials, and at the back we have strong teeth to chew the food items. Okay, so this is all about the animals that eat both plants and animals. So here I will complete this part. Here only I will stop. In the next class we will continue with the rest part of this chapter. So I request you children, go through the book, read line by line, read the examples. You can enjoy seeing the pictures also, and you can also go through my video. But you will not get confused. Good children. And I know nowadays my children are getting very good day by day. You are coming to Zoom class in time. I hope you all will be completing your exercise also. In Saturday, I have given you the exercise of chapter 5. I hope you all have completed. Okay. And today I will be sharing this chapter worksheet, and looking back question also you will write down. Then see you in the evening. Bye bye.